Hello and welcome to this course. This is for you if you want to sell physical items online. It could be things that you get from wholesale suppliers, or it could just be products that you want to get rid of in your home, or it could be products that you get from thrift stores or garage sales. So this course is for you if you want to sell physical items online and you don't want to go through the headaches or the hassle of dealing with customer service and shipping to customers. And so the ideal way to to do all that is to go through Amazon's FBA system. So with that said, we'll continue on in the next videos as I discuss what it's all about and give you tips and tools that you can use to succeed with Amazon's FBA program. Alright, so in this video I want to talk about what FBA is. FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. And basically the benefit of Fulfillment by Amazon is that you can sell physical items on Amazon without having to store any products in your house or having to ship them to customers and handling customer service, because Amazon will do that will do all of that for you through their FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon. Okay, all you need to do is send your items to Amazon's warehouse and they will do the rest. And they will even do the customer service for you. And the payments are made through Amazon's own system rather than PayPal, so you avoid having to pay PayPal fees. Now, before you start selling on Amazon or buying products from wholesale suppliers or from garage sales, um, you know, before you find products to sell on Amazon, you have to make sure that the products you plan to sell are allowed to be sold on Amazon. So do a quick search on Amazon. There's a page here on restricted products, information about that. There's also a list of restricted brands that you're not allowed to sell on Amazon. So you can find that list on Amazon. You could also go to a seller's forum on Amazon in which they update it more frequently with which products or brands are restricted and that you're not allowed to sell on Amazon. So here is a quick list for you. You'll see that on here. There's Microsoft, Apple, Chanel. So some popular brands that you are not allowed to sell on Amazon. Okay, another thing to note is that there are certain categories that are restricted or that require approval. You have to apply to Amazon to be allowed to sell in certain categories. So here's a quick view of a list on Amazon. You could find this on Amazon. So for example, if you want to sell shirts, unfortunately that category, the clothing category, is restricted and that you will have to apply to Amazon to sell t-shirts. And another thing that sticks out here is health and personal care. I mean, that's something I love to sell in. So that's, if you have some health products that you want to sell, you would have to apply to Amazon to be able to sell health products on their site. Now, when you start selling on Amazon, there's two types of accounts that you can have. There's the pro merchant account and there's the individual account. Now, if you choose to go with a pro merchant account, the cost for that is $39.99 per month or $40 per month. And if you go with an individual account, there is no subscription fee for that. You just pay 99 cents for each item you sell. So basically, if you think that you're going to sell more than 40 items each month, then it makes sense to go pro. Otherwise, just start with an individual account. And of course, you can always upgrade later to a pro account and vice versa. So if you start with pro account, you can always go back to an individual account. Now, one of the main advantages of having a pro account, though, is that it allows you to sell in more categories. Now, if you plan to sell items from your home, garage sales, thrift stores, estate sales, or anything like that, one tool that you may want to get that will help you a lot and make your life a lot easier is to get a scanning app. Because if you get an app for your phone, this app allows you to scan anything with a barcode. Okay, so let's go through some of the apps that you can get in this video. Alright, so the first one I want to talk about is called the Amazon Seller. This app is free, and basically it shows you the new and the used prices for items that you search for when you're scanning items. It also contains all kinds of seller tools such as shipping and pricing information and a list of your items for sale. Next one here is the Amazon mobile app. Now this app is not really designed for Amazon sellers, but it does allow you to scan barcodes and check prices on Amazon. Okay, and last tool here is called the Profit Bandit. And basically, this tool, it's not free. I believe at the moment it's a one-time payment of $15, but it's one of the most popular tools out there for Amazon sellers. It's got a lot of useful features, and it's available for iPhone, Android, and iPads.